Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Samsung Galaxy A53 5G for Verizon Prepaid. So the Galaxy A53 is now here at Verizon Prepaid as of April 1st. So if you guys are looking to get a mid-range 5G smartphone on Verizon Prepaid, the Galaxy A53 is worth checking out. So it's available now for $499.99, so basically $500 for the Galaxy A53. No contracts, of course. So this is the most I have seen. This is the most expensive I've seen the Galaxy A53 so far. Because the Beast Mode version is $450 full retail price. The Cricket version is $410 full retail price, and then the Metro version is $470 full retail price. And now the Verizon Prepaid version is $500 full retail price. So yeah, so you guys will be paying even $500 for this phone. So yeah. So it's available now in awesome black, 128 gigabytes of storage there. I'm sure that this phone is also available on Verizon Prepaid service as well. Alright, so let's go ahead and check out the Galaxy A53 here. Let me get this shit out the way. So there's the phone right there. From the phone is your whole punch for your front-facing camera, earpiece above that, power and bang piece on the right side of the phone there. The left side has nothing. The left side has literally nothing on it. The camera does stick out there just a bit down the back, so be mindful of that. There's the back right there. Camera bump right there. Your full cameras, camera flash, Samsung logo. There's the back of it then. Right side there. Yeah, your volume keys, power button is on the right side of the phone. So your SIM card is on top or bottom of the phone. So yeah, it's probably on the bottom of the phone, I guess. I'm not really sure about that. So here are quick specs on the phone. So you guys get 4 cameras on the back at 64 megapixel main, which is f1.8 aperture lens. You do get a camera flash, obviously. 12 megapixel ultra wide camera with the f2.2 aperture lens. A 5 megapixel depth sensor at f2.4 aperture lens. Then a 5 megapixel macro camera lens at f2.4 aperture lens. It also supports optical image stabilization, single take, portrait mode, night mode, fun mode camera. So talk time and usage time and shit on 4G is 27.68 hours. 5G is 19.75 hours usage time, 14.58 days of standby time, 2.94 inches in width, 6.28 inches in height. Alright, so let me expand this. It says here, looking for an awesome smartphone at a great price. The new Samsung Galaxy A53 5G is the new 5G smartphone from Samsung that provides the awesome Galaxy expands at a phenomenal price point with premium features. Watch videos on the Super AMOLED screen for a crystal clear view and listen to stereo speakers for a surround sound like feel. And with a long-lasting battery, you don't have to worry about stopping to charge when streaming your favorite content. Enjoy the 6.5-inch screen and take in all your favorite content on the go, wherever you are at 5G speeds. Use the sophisticated camera system to snap selfies, portrait shots, and more, and flaunt your new smartphone sleek design with the Galaxy A53 5G's modern, sleek look and feel. So yeah, long-lasting battery life. You don't have to worry about stopping and charging when you're on the go with the Samsung Galaxy A53 5G long-lasting battery. No matter if you're taking video calls or streaming, the Galaxy A53's long-lasting super fast charging battery has your back. Powerful performance The very best of Galaxy A series gives you awesome, smooth streaming of your favorite content with the most powerful performance in its series and awesomely fast speeds to download shows and movies, all at the speed of 5G. It has a 5nm processor, expandable storage. Galaxy A53 5G gives you the storage to be sentimental. The biggest built-in storage in the Galaxy A series lets you enjoy more memories and entertainment with an additional 1TB of expandable storage with a micro SD card, which you will have to purchase that separately. Obviously, you can hold on to all the memories that matters most. So yeah, intelligent, sophisticated camera. The Galaxy A53 5G makes it easy to capture content and strike a pose with a sophisticated, intelligent camera system. Single take allows you to take video, pictures, and more, all with one tap. But image stabilization technology makes sure every image comes out clear. Impressive Super AMOLED display. Whether you are streaming viral videos or kicking back to complete a whole series, the Galaxy A53 5G Super AMOLED display is built to keep you entertained with incredible color clarity that translates into awesome resolution. Sleek, modern design. The Galaxy A53 5G Super modern design is sleek and stylish, yet it was engineered to endure so you can worry less around water and dust. So it's IP67 rated for dust and water, up to 3 feet for 30 minutes in fresh water. Taking privacy and security seriously. Galaxy A53 5G helps protect your Galaxy A53 5G helps protect your data with multi-layer NOC security. Also, with Privacy Share, you can set time limits and expiration dates on all share files, revoke access at any time, and ensure the intended recipient is the only one who can open your files, and that they cannot send or screenshot your stuff. So I have Samsung Knox on here, which is Samsung Security Suite, so it has a lot of that stuff on there. So take advantage of that because security and privacy is a must-have. So yeah. Now the specs on this phone are pretty good. This is a mid-range smartphone, so it has Wi-Fi 8. It has Wi-Fi 8 to 11 ABGN and AC. Dual-band Wi-Fi. Don't know if it has Wi-Fi 6 or not. Not really sure about that. There's your SAR ratings. It's a roll device, which works in over 200 countries depending on what plan you guys have. Global and roaming networks. 4G of course has 5G ultra wideband, 5G nationwide. Voice assistant is Google Assistant and Bixby. Bluetooth 5.0 security is fingerprint, which is in-display fingerprint sensor and facial recognition. Hotspot 4G 10 devices, 5G 10 devices. So yeah. Expandable storage up to 1TB via micro SD, 6GB of RAM, 128GB of ROM, Android 12 with One UI 4, Exynos 1280 octa-core chipset. It takes the front and rear cameras recording 4K videos. The main camera on the back records in 4K, so do keep it in mind, and the front camera can record in 4K as well. Rear camera, 64 megapixel main camera with an f1.8 aperture lens, and then you get a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera with an f2.8 2 aperture lens, 5 megapixel depth sensor with an f2.4 aperture, then a 5 megapixel macro lens with an f2.4 aperture, plus optical image stabilization, single take, portrait mode, night mode, fun mode, and whatnot. It does have a camera flash as well on the back. 32 megapixel front facing camera with an f2.2 aperture lens. It does not have power share, it does not have wireless charging. It does have fast charging up to 25 watts though, but you will have to provide your own charging brick if you guys don't have one. 5000 mAh battery, 4G up to 27.68 hours, 19.75 hours on 5G, 14.58 days of standby time. Aspect ratio is a 20:9, 120 Hz refresh rate, 6.5 inch Super AMOLED Full HD Plus, Gorilla Glass 5 screen. It has metallic coated frame, awesome black edge color options, weight 6.67 ounces, depth 0.32 inches, width 2.94 inches, with the height 6.28 inches there. So pretty good specs, pretty good features as well. Not bad for $500, but it's most expensive price I've seen for the Galaxy A53 so far. But it's with Verizon, so you will be paying for the phone and their service and their network. So it is what it is, guys. If you guys need help with your Galaxy A53, Verizon has you covered with the device support here. It says that Verizon Wireless Support helps you better understand your Verizon mobile device and other Verizon services. So yeah, what comes in the box is your Samsung Galaxy A53 5G prepaid smartphone, pre-installed SIM card, USB-C to USB-C cable, SIM ejection pin, terms and conditions, quick reference guide. There is no charging brick in the box, so you guys will have to provide that on your own. So yeah, so there you guys have it. The Samsung Galaxy A53 5G is now here at Verizon Prepaid for $499.99. I'm pretty sure it's also available on Verizon Prepaid service as well, so check it out. So if you guys are looking to get a mid-range Samsung phone with 5G, the Galaxy A53 is worth taking a look at here. It's a very nice looking phone, very nice spec sheet, very nice features and stuff like that. So not bad for $500. Like I said, this is the most expensive I've seen the Galaxy A53 thus far. But like I said, it's for Verizon, so you will be paying to use their network. So it is what it is, guys. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. That would really help me out a lot. So please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.